right, guys, the moment I have been waiting for over probably a year and a half. The Momentum Holo Wheels have finally come in. All right, here we go. There we go. Boom. Nice. Man, this box even feels nice. Ooh, just gonna let this drop. Just gonna let this drop. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Good. Man, Doug, these are fresh. Oh my God, look at these guys. Those are nice. All right, user guidebook. Wheel cover, wheel tread, assembly guide, suspension pins optional. I didn't get those. Suspension insert optional. You can buy those later. I don't have those in here, but that's fine. You're going to install the bearings in the wheel and the wheel cover. And prepare your suspension insert, dial the characteristics. Wicked. All right, guys, I'm going to charge the board, and then I'm going to take this out for its virgin run with the new actual Holo wheels.